at it, it's so pretty. Hey guys, what's up? It is Sunday and it is 6 o'clock, but in my defense it's only really 5 o'clock because we did have to spring forward. And today for some reason I can't talk either. Look at this craziness that I got going on top of my head. What is the deal? Greg is making dinner right now. We are having chicken and gravy and green beans and mashed potatoes. That's what we're having. And then I also made some tuna. Let me show you guys what I made. This is so good. Oh, so good. So simple too. Okay, so it kind of looks gross and gooey. Okay, that probably still looks gross, but it is tuna and a whole onion and a bunch of tomatoes and some, whew, man, that's onion. Green peppers. And what else did I put in? Some jalapenos, diced jalapenos, and then we did some dill seed and some celery salt. So that's what we've got in here. And it's really good. I had a little taste of it, but now that I opened it, oh my God, does it smell like onion. I wish y'all could smell the goodness, the awesomeness that is going on in our kitchen right now. Oh my God. You guys, I'm trying to tell Greg into having me a whole big old sunflower garden, but I don't think he's going for it. But isn't that so pretty? I think I need one. What do you guys think? Alright, I know it's snowing out here. Let's take a look and see the damage.
Oh yeah, let's see it up the hill on the right side.
Yeah, it is still coming down. Look at it, it's so pretty. Alright, you guys are gonna get so annoyed with all the snow, but this is like the first real snow we've had, like, all year. And oh my God, look at that, isn't it beautiful? It's so pretty. You're gonna shovel it. We have a Jeep. We're good.
The shovel's down there.
Oh my God, it's so pretty.
It's landing in the shovel.
I love it. Greg says this is our shovel. The S10 is gonna shovel away an 8-foot section, but I don't know who's gonna shovel out the part in front of it that has to move it, but whatever. We'll work out those details later. So the snow is slowly starting to come down. I don't know how much we're gonna get, but we'll see in the morning. Look at all this, come on. Look at this. Come on. I ain't going outside. Forget that. What's wrong with you? You don't want to go outside? Is it too cold? You want to go downstairs? You want to go check on Betty? You want to go check on the Jeep? Come on. Yeah, come on. I know. Hop on. Hey. I know. So in about an hour, the snow has gotten deeper. Not much, but you know, enough. Alright, so I'm in total spring cleaning mode, and I finally got my desk in the closet.